Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I will be showing some simple operation for programming C. So first, let me have a brief explain of C programming. This is the compiler that I'm using, which is Quincy 2005. The link for download will be in the description down below, so please check it. So first, our programming is actually from the top to the bottom, which means that the code will be executed line by line from the top until the bottom. So let's say this is an example of our testing compiler. So first we'll include the declaration, and this is a function for our coding. Printf is a calling function which is for the output of the Quincy. This is how it basically works. So next we move on to variables. This is the example coding for the variables, which is, okay, let me explain first declaration. Okay, and this is the global declaration for variables. From when do we need to know that, when do we need to know that there's the variable needed? So first, print, this is a printf function. We need to have some user inputs. So we will have the printf function to print. Please input the first point of coordinates. Then after that, scanf. Scanf is actually basically for user input, which will be scanning what is they going to input. Okay. Secondly, print out the user input, which is the current temperature is, which is basically repeating what the user has inputted. So, and declare the variable. Then after that, we are coming to the if-else statement, which is if the temperature is above 50, it will print out turn on circulating fan. Okay, let's continue. After if, then else. Else means that which is out of the condition, which means that the temperature is equal to or less than 50. As in that case, it will print out normal mode. Let's move on to the another one. This is about for looping. This is a simple program for for looping, which including stars. So basically, okay, first include a declaration and the body, and this is the global declaration for the variables. So printf, scanf, okay, basically user input, enter number of rows. What does this means that how many rows of stars will be input. So here we know that this is the function for loop, and here are the parameters, which is the data types that needed to be input. So basically I is a standard, I is used for the variables. So here at first we declare that I is equal to 1, and when this is the condition that when I is less than the rows, the variable rows, it will keep looping inside. Therefore, plus plus I means that the value of the I will be plus, adding by 1 each time it loops. But it's okay, this is either overall reviews or overall impression from the. Okay, so as you can see, this is the array part for us. So it's the same one, same thing, declare for the main, the function, and we'll get into the program. So declaration for the variables, these are the variables that are assigned. For array, we are still using for looping to loop the amount of the data stored in the array. So the array for the first data is starting from 0, and add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at first we don't declare any limit for the data stored in array. We'll make it assign the x equal to 0, so it will start in the beginning, and the a is the data that actually store in the array. So for like, for example, x is equal to 0, right? The a will be equals to 20, so means that the first data of the array will be 20, and in the following the A will be decreases slowly one by one, so it means that it will become 20, 19, 18, 17, and so on. While the X from 0 until 20, it will be keep adding it and out until 20, and the for loop will be stop. And during the looping, it will be print out, and of course, when the X is keep adding one by one, means that the data that's actually stored in the array is keep increasing also one by one. That's how the whole array works. Okay guys, thank you for your time. Hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.